friends, welcome back to my channel once more. So wish you all happy new year. This is the end of 2020. So this is my last video of this year. Today I am going to tell about waterproof ink and photo color ink. So I am using Camlin waterproof ink, and I am using paper, that is Chitrapat paper. You can do on cartridge sheet also, but in watercolor paper it comes out very nice, and you are able to handle this easily. So this is paper is my Chitrapat paper, and I did here simple drawing, light drawing here. So these are different colors. Waterproof ink are available in different colors, like 12 set of 12 colors comes. And so right now I'm using orange color. These colors are very vibrant, so I'm using these as watercolors. I'm taking water, and for light and dark I am using water, and wherever I want dark color I will do in second layer, and I will not use water so much. So thanks a lot, friends, for my this journey. Thanks all my friends, relatives, and now I have 500 subscribers. So thank you so much for supporting me so much. And so you can see here, now I am taking yellow color, yellow and orange color I took. Initially it is difficult to control waterproof ink, but you need little bit practice. But if you are doing watercolor, so definitely it will be easy for you. Or if you are doing this first, then it will be easy to handle watercolors. These colors are very vibrant, so picture you can take where you want vibrant colors. And you need to take very small quantity of ink. And you try not to keep open for a long time, otherwise it dries. So right now I am using blue color of ink, and then I will take black color. So it's not everywhere, it's not black, and you can see I am doing wet on wet, so you can see how it is spreading. It comes out very nice. That flow and all is not in your control. So it comes only with practice, 2 to 3, and definitely you will get output. I will share some more videos of this waterproofing. Right now I'm using two colors, one is blue and one is black. And in this you can mix only when it is wet. If it will complete dry, then it will be difficult to mix. Maybe you can give second layer, definitely you can give second layer, but mixing will be difficult when it will be dry. So you need to keep your hand very fast. After drying it will be little lightly, maybe 10% lighter. So we can give one more layer. And as this part is complete white, so I am not taking any color, only some bluish or blackish some tinge I am giving for some shadow part. Rest I am leaving as paper white. In same way here also I am taking first blue color and then black, and I am trying to mix it wet on wet. This is very fast medium. Maybe in half an hour you are able to complete your painting. Try very small work. If A3 sorry A4 A5 is good to start. My paper is A4 size, this one. And you can see middle part is little bit dry, so you can see patches are coming. This is difficult to mix, so I am taking little bit water to mix it. And for background I am taking photo colors. Those are also same, but those are more vibrant. So these comes in drops, droppers. Bottles cap is dropper, so you can see here when I will do. So here I mix two colors. One is waterproof ink and another one is photo colors. And you can see how nicely it is spreading. This is, I am doing suggestive flowers. I am not doing very realistic and work here. Flowers are suggestive. So you can see first I applied water, then I am just touching some part, some with crimson color and dark green, and just it is spreading and it is taking its own shape. I am not trying to give each leaf shape. You can see down, you can see water is little bit dry now, so it's not spreading as it was spreading in top part. And you can see here after drying in birds also it become lighter, so I will try to give little bit more touch up. In eye I am using blue and black color, and for white highlight area I will leave as it is white. So friends, I started my YouTube channel in May and I was not serious. I was just in lockdown. I did some videos, then slowly I became more serious, and I did a lot of videos. Almost 60 videos are available in different mediums for different age group. I did um, a lot of videos in oil pastels, soft pastels, charcoal, watercolor, acrylic, and for different age group from age 4 to adults, because I have students of all the age group. So it was demand ki like to do something. Then I also did according to each one's requirement. So if you want any specific thing to learn, and if I know, please mention in the comment box. I will write, definitely I will try to do this. This medium I am giving video first time. I did video of pencil colors also. So Some more I will try to do in waterproof ink. And thanks a lot, my all followers, friends, and a special thanks to my son Ameya Gupta and my sister Dr. Sweta Gupta and my sister-in-law Dr. Shruti Gupta, who supported me a lot mm, for in this journey. And all editing work and everything is done by my son Ameya Gupta. So I hope you will like and you will support me in this way in next journey also. You can see final output. Thank you so much.